there's a lot of intrigue.
Yeah.
They get a feeling that there has to be something dark in it because with the mood that they've created. I feel like at that point, web shows were not a thing.
Yeah.
Today it's a thing and it's a huge thing.
To have it in my contract that there's a 1 hour lunch break, jahan pe in 30 minutes I quickly eat my lunch
I
and
think
then
power naps are really underrated. They are
Yeah.
beautiful.
True.
Yeah. It should be legal season 3.
Hi, this is Nirali. You are watching HT's OTT Play, and I'm in conversation with the two supremely talented actors who are coming up with a web show, Illegal 3, on Jio Cinema. Welcoming Neha Sharma and Neil Bhupalam on OTT Play. It's a
Thank
pleasure
you.
to have you both for a chat.
Thank you for having
Thanks.
us.
Firstly, congratulations for the fact that the initial promos of Illegal 3 are looking extremely good. There's intrigue, there's excitement, of course, for the fact that Illegal has been a successful web show franchise. I want to know what's the feedback that you guys have been hearing from your fans and loved ones.
Your fans ka feedback I still have to see because I've not had the time to actually scroll because उसमें कम fans होते हैं पता नहीं कौन होते हैं, so I still have to see their feedback. Friends obviously they've been super kind and they said that it's looking amazing, exactly the adjectives that you used. It's there's a lot of intrigue. They get a feeling that there has to be something dark in it because with the mood that they've created. So, बहुत excited हूँ. I'm looking forward to seeing, what their response has been.
Yeah. Neil, what's the feedback been for you especially?
For me, of course, the trailer has got a fair amount of traction, and being on Jio Cinema, it's just a really strong platform, which like, it's like a boom.
Yeah.
But for me, when I was shooting it, जो दाढ़ी था,
Yeah.
everybody would see me and like, is this your personal style or ये role के लिए है? And I'll be like, role के लिए. Acha, what are you doing? Illegal season 3. Acha, illegal. Isn't Neha Sharma in that? So they were very familiar with the series, with the brand, with the franchise, the book. I hope I'm using the right vocabulary. So that excited me a lot because that. I, as a player, as a performer, I don't consume as much. I don't even think you do. Kabhi
We
we
never
sit down
have
and
so
watch.
much time, right?
Yes, but when you speak to your friends and family and people, when they say good things, then you know you're on the right
Yeah.
path.
They are the true critics.
Yes,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
Fans, though, of course, they shower love on you and stuff, but of course, the family and friends are the one
Ji.
who give you the honest, true feedback.
True.
But also, Neha, I want to take you back to the time, in 2020 when Illegal was offered to
Yeah.
you. What was your first thought about this web show and what kind of drew you towards making your debut with this particular show?
I feel like at that point, web shows were not a thing.
Yeah.
Today it's a thing and it's a huge thing. At that point, Illegal was one of the first few that was being conceptualized. And for me, of course, I was hungry to do a role where I could do something, something meaty, something to do for me. So when Samar and Sahir came and met me and they told me the script and I'm like, I like it. And we were used to hearing movie scripts. So I was like, oh, this is great. And then they told me, this is going to be OTT. OTT is going to be this next thing and whatever. And I think I have never shied away from experimenting. But I've not had so many opportunities. But when this came, I was like, okay, I want to take it. And something told me that they probably will deliver because a lot of people do a lot of promises but they don't deliver. But Sahir and Samar felt honest and I felt this is something I want to do. I still have the picture with both of them with the laptop and telling me what this is and how it's going to be, what OTT is, 8 episodes and we'll shoot and all of that. And that time no one knew how it's going to be.
Right.
So I leap of faith.
Leap of faith, of course. But 2020 was also a time when a lot of web shows, like you say, it wasn't a thing, but it has become a thing now.
Yeah.
A lot of web shows were made in COVID pandemic.
Yeah.
Neil, I want to know what was your first reaction when Illegal released initially?
I don't think you were aware, were you?
No, I was aware because we were all presented on a channel called Voot.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, of course.
So that Riker case is a show that I had done, directed by Aditya Sarpotdar, and you all had that. So in some way, we're the same batch
Oh,
Yeah.
in time zone.
Yeah.
So our first seasons for both these shows released at the same
Yeah.
time on a platform that
I keep
required
forgetting
it.
this information. Oh
हाँ
my
नहीं
God.
मुझे याद है ये and we were all at the success party as well. I had not met you
Yeah, I
then.
think we didn't meet.
No, but then Akshay and I and Sahil,
Yeah.
Raza, the three of us spent some time.
Yeah.
And you know, everybody was, it was, you know, it was so new. And of course my my gaadi ruk gayi thi, right? It didn't go further. Theirs went on to a season 2 and then a season 3, and then when I got a call, I'm like, I know Illegal, I know the show, you know, isn't Akshay Oberoi on it, and Satyadeep, yeah. So this is how I was just very excited, and as we all know, to reach a season 3 is a sign of success.
Of course. I mean, if people have not loved the first season, it wouldn't have made it so
Of
far.
course,
So
yes.
of course, it's a sign of success, and it is one of the most loved legal dramas on OTT space.
Thank
but
you.
talking about your character, Niharika Singh, tell me personally, how does Neha look at the character arc of Niharika throughout the 3 seasons of Illegal?
I actually love it.
Yeah.
I feel like the writers are doing a good job with it. They are trying to experiment. They are trying to make the show very interesting and break the monotony. Of course, there are new cases, and every case needs to be as interesting, and there needs to be a lot of work, a lot of research. So I think they are putting in the work. Casting, of course, they are always getting supremely talented actors in the show, and I feel this season especially is got fabulous actors who've come in. Of course, Neil's here with us,
Yeah.
and I feel like I love the track of Neil and Ira together, and just everything about this track is lovely. So yeah,
I'm
I
sure
think-
your casting team wanted Imran Hashmi for this part, but he must have been busy. So they're like, और कौन है? अच्छा नील को लेके आओ.
But yeah, I feel like, you know, the look that Dushyant has on the show, he's just got this regal look,
Yeah.
and they worked on his look a lot, and the demeanor, the way he carries himself, everything. So I feel I have to give credit to the writers, not only for Niharika's character, but all the characters that they bring in. And pura ka pura show, I feel they've worked hard on it. And of course, Sahir, when he came on board, he wanted to continue the story and give her a new arc on this season. So I think it's a collaborative effort.
Yeah, of course. But talking about your character, Neil, of course, like Neha mentioned, there's this intrigue factor, there's this regal look, and there's a fierceness that you see on his face.
Yes.
Tell me what went into the making of, I mean, what went into the prepping for the character of Dushyant for Illegal?
The prep that I required is in my real life, I just had to be an arrogant guy.
That's the only.
I pissed off my family a lot. And every time I'm like, it's my process, my process. I'd like throw a glass and all.
And then you will be like, I'm in my process.
I'm in my process.
अपने character में हो.
Yeah, my character. It's not me, it's the character.
He's Dushyant.
But it was great fun too. And also, yeah, just, you know, I sort of like borrow some traits on what people are doing and how people conduct themselves. To be badly behaved, but in a power, you know, in a place of authority and all, is an interesting thing. But you get directed. That's why you have a director and you have a writer, and then when you're in it, it's very easy actually. You don't even have to do much.
Yeah, as long as you are under, I mean, the right guidance.
Yes,
Yeah. For director,
absolutely. But
yeah.
it's all like Neha said. It is the teamwork. It is, and you just trust that flow, and everybody is there to actually make it good only.
Yeah.
You know, every department.
Yeah. But apart from Illegal, you know, as celebrities, there's this constant media glare on all the celebrities, you know, talking about paparazzi culture in specific. What are your thoughts?
You see, we're all in the media. We do the same thing in different departments, and I believe there does need to be some moral check that people need to have. I understand. I mean, the mere fact that Princess Diana died because of trying to escape the PAPs and everything is when it intrudes your personal life to such a great extent. It is very harmful and damaging. Just so that someone can get a shot and sell a photograph for that much more. I'm sure there is a slightly more mindful way of, I mean, you, by all means carry on the job you're doing,
Yeah, but draw a line somewhere.
Thoda bahut, like you need to draw a line somewhere. Yes, you're right. So, but that cannot be taught.
Yeah.
It needs to come from within.
It has to start within the self
Ji.
itself. Neha, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, like you said, there's a positive and a negative
Negative
way to
effect to
look
it,
at
yeah.
it. I feel they've always been super nice to me. They ask me for a picture, and if I don't want to obligate, they leave me alone. So yes, the side that Neil's talking about, that's hardcore. I don't know
Yeah.
if
Sure.
Indian paparazzi is there yet, and I hope
hopefully
they never
won't
get.
get
I
there,
hope
yeah.
they never get there. But the paps that I meet, they're really sweet. They are people like us trying to do their job, and they ask you for a picture, and if you don't want to obligate them, don't obligate them. And I sometimes feel actors have an issue with it. Some actors have an
Yeah.
issue with it because probably they're not getting clicked, and you know, I don't know what it is, but there are two ways to look at it. If they were vicious and harmful and all of that, then yes, there was a reason for me to be upset. But
Yeah.
with me, they've always been nice and kind, and I have done the same. So.
Yeah. But before we end this interview, I have a light-hearted rapid fire.
Go for it.
Where I will give you situations, light-hearted ones, but you have to decide whether it should be considered legal or illegal.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first one is
Everything is legal.
depending on the situations.
Okay, let's see.
Let's start with skipping your workout for the day.
Very good, very good.
I wish it was illegal, but I think it's not a good idea to skip it.
Yeah, it should be
Neil,
illegal.
what do you think?
Yeah, it should be illegal.
Yeah. The next is sneaking food packets into a movie theater. Like when you go for a movie, you just
Yeah, it
sneak in.
should be
Banta
legal.
hai, yeah,
I
totally,
think it should be
totally. Yeah,
legal,
yeah,
but it
yeah.
is illegal though.
Yeah. I mean, you can pay a little this thing or say like, okay, here's $5 for this thing. Apna hi peanuts leke aaye hain.
Okay, the next is using your phone while having a dinner or lunch with your friends.
That should be illegal.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. I mean, people need to be in the present
I
and
want
apart from...
people to have a conversation looking at each other,
Yeah.
you know,
Exactly.
making a real conversation, not, yes, I can hear you and I don't care
Oof,
much. I don't like
bilkul.
that.
Yeah,
I
of
don't
course.
know.
There's a reason why Steve Jobs didn't give his children the iPhone.
Good. He's
That's
smart,
good.
but he's corrupted all the others.
True.
Okay, moving on to the next one. Staying in pajamas for a Zoom meeting, like when you are on a Zoom call or when you are doing a Zoom interview probably.
Should be legal because I think now they're wearing pajamas and something really formal on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it should be legal.
What do you think,
Funny.
Neil?
Yeah, legal, right? Yes. Legal.
Okay, the next is laughing during serious situations.
I think it should be legal because even sometimes, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, unless it's really serious,
Yeah.
like someone's
Yeah.
sick and all, then it's different. But I think it should be legal because sometimes, you know, I like to laugh and then people are like, shh, not the right time.
Neil, what do you think?
Yes, of course. I mean, you know, you should be able to express yourself freely. And sometimes that's a awkward laughter or,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
it's legal.
It's illegal, depending on the situation, the gravity of the situation.
Yeah.
And the last one is taking a nap at work, like a power nap.
Ooh la la.
I took a power nap before this interview.
My producers would kill me, so I don't think that's, they don't want it to be legal, but it would be great if you could.
I like to have it in my contract that there's a 1 hour lunch break, jahan pe in 30 minutes I quickly eat
Do a
my
power-
lunch
I
and
think
then
power
do it.
naps are really underrated. They are
Yeah.
beautiful.
True.
Yeah, it should be legal season 3.
Legal season 3.